me router we have, and how we can change our me router into Wi-Fi repeater or Wi-Fi extender. You are listening right. If we want to change our me router from Wi-Fi router to repeater or extender mode, that how we can do so and how we can easily use these type of features in this router. So today we are going to letting you know, before proceeding, then why you should change your router into a repeater or Wi-Fi extender. Wi-Fi extender and repeater both are same things. In this type of things is that we have any internet connection already or Wi-Fi connection, and we want to boost that, increase the area network of that router. Then how we can increase, because if our office or homes, one corner is has little bit of network over there, and we want to just further increase, then we have to install one router over there, and after that this router's range will be extended and your same network, same internet will work on them too. So how we can do so? First of all, requesting me like the video and subscribe the channel and watch the video till the end and learn how to change your mi Wi-Fi router to Wi-Fi repeater or Wi-Fi extender. Watch the video, learn how to do so. First of all, install and set up your router. If you are using, then you have to just go to your mobile phone or laptop or computer, wherever you want to set up this as a Wi-Fi repeater, and click on Wi-Fi icon and just connect to your that router with mi router. And after that, go to the internet browser, whichever browser you are using, internet browser, and over there you have to just type 192.168.31.1 and press enter. After that, it will be asked you about the admin password. If you have changed your admin password, you have to enter that, otherwise the main admin password is by default is admin and admin. And after that, go to settings option above there, and after that, when you click on that settings option, you will see many more options like this, and from there you have to choose the network settings option. As you can check out over here, when you click on network settings option, go scroll down and you will find an option for router settings, and after that you have to change that router settings. For changing, you have to just click on that switch option, and when you click on the router switch option, you will see three options. Main is for router mode, and next one is Wi-Fi network extender. That means if you want to extend your Wi-Fi network, then you can easily connect that. And if you are using cable, data cable over there, then you have to choose third one. But in my scenario, I'm using Wi-Fi extender, then I am going to changing Wi-Fi network extender. And after that, click on next button, and when you click on next button, you will see options like this, and from there you have to choose the Wi-Fi from drop down menu. If you don't find over there, you have just refresh that. If you want to do so, choose the Wi-Fi and enter the default Wi-Fi password, password of your Wi-Fi, and enter that password and click on wireless amplifier, and that's it. Voila. When it's gets successful, your router will restart, and after that you can easily connect any internet and you can use easily. If you like the video about this router, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.